You know, for students who are expressing an interest in wildlife sciences here in the Uintah Basin, what a great choice. Joining me for discussion today, Brent Bibles and Rich Etchberger, both faculty members here at Utah State University here in the Uintah Basin. And you know, when I first mentioned this idea of Rich and Brent coming in on being photographed, they would have preferred to have this outside because much of the classwork and which leads to the jobs and careers are outside type positions. So it's kind of exciting and interesting to bring that into our first discussion with Rich perhaps. And what kind of jobs are available for people in wildlife sciences? Because that's students are clicking these interests and really wanting to know what jobs are out there for them.
Yeah, sure, Bob. Most of our jobs are with government agencies or with private outfits like consulting firms. Here in the Uintah Basin, a lot of our students, when they graduate, they go to work for the federal government for example, the Bureau of Land Management as biologists. They also go to work for outfits like the U.S. Forest Service, where they work as wildlife biologists. One of the unique opportunities that our students have here in the Uintah Basin is to go to work for consulting firms also. With the oil and gas development that we have here in the Uintah Basin, they need to meet the laws and the requirements for the work that they do. And they have consulting firms that hire wildlife biologists also. So we have a broad range of opportunities available. And one of the things that we're real proud about here in the Uintah Basin at our campus is that to this point, 100% of our graduates have gone on to find careers in wildlife science.
That's wonderful. Brent, why would a student want to select a degree option in wildlife sciences here in the Uintah Basin?
Well, we have the ability, the basin has some pretty unique resources, and Dr. Etchberger and myself are both here that can provide a lot of personal attention to the students. But in addition, the students receive faculty in Logan are delivering courses down here also, so they can take advantage of having the faculty in Logan as well as the local faculty, Dr. Etchberger and myself, providing their coursework. Another feature that helps them quite a bit is that because of the nature of the regional campus here, we can offer we have small class sizes and a lot of personal attention. They have a lot of access to Dr. Etchberger and myself as they go through their academic career. And Dr. Etchberger and myself provide a lot of this outside, taking the classes outside. They get a lot of exposure, a lot of hands-on training to what wildlife biologists do as they go through their coursework.
You know, that leads to another question I'll direct to Rich, and many students are looking for internship opportunities. You guys do probably best of that than anyone with internships available to students.
Yeah, Bob, we have probably one of the real model programs when it comes to getting our students hands-on training and internship opportunities. Over the last 15 years, we've brought in over $1 million in grants that we funnel right to our students to help provide those internship opportunities. Those range from summer jobs where folks work right out there in the field with the biologists that are doing this to having year-long internships. We have one that is a real outstanding opportunity with the Bureau of Land Management at Perriette Wetlands to actually work as a wetlands manager for a whole year. Again, it's the kind of opportunity that it's pretty rare out there at a lot of other places, and we've really focused on getting our students that personal attention and getting that hands-on training.
So it's no surprise then that if you serve an internship, many of those people are going to be picked up afterwards.
Exactly. All of our
not
most of them, all of our students have been able to do that. And I think the real reason for that, beyond the hands-on training, they actually get to test drive the job, and the folks who are doing the hiring get to kind of test drive the individual. And as I said before, 100% of our students have gone on to careers.
Can't beat that. Brent, are there some student activities they can be involved in while they're in the program?
Yeah, we have a local student chapter of the Wildlife Society, and the Wildlife Society is a national level professional organization, and we do have a local student chapter here at the regional campus. And what this provides them to do is get out, do a bunch of volunteer activities. We bring in speakers from these agencies that are hiring so they get to know what wildlife biologists do and get to meet some of these people, which helps them in developing the contacts they need for getting jobs as they graduate. It also helps get them involved in some of the conferences and other activities that wildlife biologists take part in, interact with other student chapters as well as professionals in other areas as they attend conferences.
Students, great jobs, internships. You have it right here with wildlife science degree. For more information, contact one of these two through our website or give them a call or simply drop by and see one of us. Wildlife science, a great degree option for students here in the Uintah Basin, and you get to work outside. Thanks, Rich and Brent.
Thanks.